How can I restrict someone from seeing my stories on social media?
Hello, viewers. Have you ever wondered how to take control of who sees your stories on your favorite social media platforms? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to cover just that, teaching you how to restrict certain individuals from seeing your stories.
Why would you want to restrict access to your stories?
There are numerous reasons why you might want to limit the visibility of your stories. You may want to prevent coworkers from seeing your weekend adventures, or perhaps you want to avoid an ex. Whatever the reason, it's important to remember that privacy is your right.
Restricting access on Instagram.
If you're an Instagram user, follow these steps. 1. Open your Instagram app. 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. 3. Tap on the hamburger icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top right. 4. Go to Settings, Privacy, Story. 5. Here, you'll find the option to Hide Story From. Select this and choose the individuals you wish to hide your stories from.
Restricting access on Facebook.
If you use Facebook Stories, here's what to do. 1. Open your Facebook app. 2. Go to your profile and tap on More under your profile picture. 3. Tap on Story Audience. 4. You can select Custom to handpick the individuals or lists that will be able to see your stories.
Restricting access on Snapchat.
If you're a Snapchat fan, here's the process. 1. Open Snapchat. 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. 3. Tap on the Settings cog at the top right. 4. Scroll down to the Who Can section. 5. Tap on View My Story and choose Custom. Now you can select the contacts you want to restrict. Remember, privacy is a crucial aspect of our online lives. You have every right to control who gets to see your content. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure your stories are visible only to the people you want to see them. Here's hoping this tutorial was helpful and empowering. Stay safe and stay private.